Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Welcome to Johnsonkeyz Music Academy. Where we'll train you and teach you to grow from beginners all the way through intermediate to the professional level. All right, God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, so today I want to take you over this song. How great is our God? I'll be in the key of F. All right. So the song goes, how great is our God? Sing with me. So I'll try and do some, right? I'll try and do some different approaches to this way, right? So I'll show you that just quick right now. So now, but before then, I want to introduce you to my new intermediate piano course, all right, that just came out not too long ago, and I mean, it has been selling. The syllabus is just on the screen. So it goes for 4,000 naira for people in Nigeria and $12 for people overseas. You get to see it's a pre-recorded course where you have the piano line. You can see the MIDI scale. You can see my fingers, and then it comes to the PDF also for the chords in all keys. And then and MIDI files also for you to practice. So the details to get it is actually in my comment section. Just chat me up on WhatsApp to buy your own copy, or you can use the seller link in the about of this channel also to just check the seller link on the about page, and then once you enter my store, you see it, you can buy it there, and then you can also chat me on WhatsApp to actually buy directly from me. God bless you. All right, so let's see what we have today. So it goes, how great. So that's a one chord. Now, instead of going to then to your C. So instead of doing that, I'll do then I'll do a 1. So let me show you that. So I did a how, I did 1, then I went to 3 major, right? 6. So I went to 6. Then I did a passing chord 1 on your left hand and right hand. So sing with me to your 4, then again, right? Oh, 4, then so on the left hand you have a 7 and 5, then so you can do a slot like this, or something like this. You hold your 4, so 4 and 1 on your left hand, then you do 4, 5, 1 on your right. So you can use this chord. So you can go 3. So you get length chords like this, and a lot of good chords. on my right. So I'm expecting on my WhatsApp to buy your copy today. God bless you. Bye.